Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do AIRASIA Cabin Crew makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and don't forget to subscribe below for more video.
Okay, first I'm gonna use this moisturizing hydrating cream. Okay. I just use my hand and it's easy and a quick one. Mèo xịt gì được ngại để thấy. Also your face, very gently. Alright, then I'm gonna wear my contact lens. So I use Maybelline concealer. I letak dekat bawah mata ni. Lepas tu kat bawah ni. And of course dahi. Lepas tu a little bit dark brown. So tada! So cute! I dah pakai ni memang dah lama and I suka this kohl kajal. I think so. I beli dekat Watson. Yeah. I memang suka this eyebrow pencil. Macam kan? Kita lukis. Sengaja just ikut you punya eyebrow. So, tada. Then I'm gonna brush, blend it. Blend the eyebrow. So, okay. So macam ni. So I use this Fit Me Maybelline concealer also, but this one is a little bit brown and it's thick. Lepas tu kita conceal yang bawah ni and buat macam shape kening tu. Okay. So I'm gonna use this Milani, okay, Milani Conceal and Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is a code light OOB. Okay, see? So OOB light. So I just put it on like this. Okay. And I like the smell of this foundation. It's a bit sweet and floral smell. Really nice. After that, I'm going to use this pan and just tap it. Super easy. And under your eyes. Oh. Then. My god. So guys, don't surprise. I'm not gross, okay? I'm human. So guys, after that I'm gonna use this Sephora compact powder and with this brush, this type of brush. Okay. Okay guys, for my contour, I'm using this Lucky Girls 3D Brow and Nose Shadow. Then I use this kind of brush and then just put it like this. Okay. This side. Don't forget, open your head. Then I'm use this color. Today I use dark color and tap it here. Then you blend. Today I use this color and put it under your eyes. And then this one for putting here, on here. So, lepas tu I pakai this eyeliner from Sleeky Girl. Then shape macam ni. Ikutlah dia nak buat macam mana. Okay. Lepas tu kita buat yang bawah ni. Buat shade dulu baru kita colour macam ni. Okay. And I use my favorite Maybelline mascara. And this kind of shape. Lepas tu I pakai eyelash ni. Okay, for this lipstick, the code is 97 and Sephora Cosmetic.